Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have completed match the statements from chapter 13. Name of the chapter 13 is the time and motion. Till match the statements I have completed. Today I will answer the following questions. First question is the define time. Time is defined as the gap between two events. Time is defined as the gap between two events. Second one is the what is the most ancient unit of time? Define it. Time between the two successive noons is called solar day. Time between the two successive noons is called solar day and is an ancient unit of time. And question number third is the what kind of measuring third is the what is a pendulum? What for a pendulum is used? A heavy mass suspended from a string which completed one to and fro motion in exactly the same time. Pendulum is used in wall clock. Answer 4. Question 4. What kind of measuring device you will use? First one, to tell time at any place and to tell time of for 100-meter race. First one is the wristwatch, second one is the stopwatch, and fifth one, what is the SI unit of time? Name its four multiples. Second is the SI unit of time and its multiple. One solar day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And answer 6. Starting from solar day, write all the sum multiples of time and state their magnitude. One solar day is equal to 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 60 seconds. Number of seconds in one solar day. Number of seconds in one solar day is equal to 24 into 60 into 60 second is equal to 86,400 seconds. Then 1 second is equal to 1 by 86,400 part of a solar day. Part of a solar day. Now answer 7. Who invented sundials in India? Name the places where these sundials are located. Maharaja Jai Singh II, Maharaja Jai Singh II invented. Maharaja Jai Singh II invented. Maharaja Jai Singh II invented sundials in India. The places where these sun dials are located are Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur and Delhi. Jaipur. Maharaja Jai Singh II invented sundials in India. The places where these sundials are located are Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur and Delhi. Answer 7. Now answer 8. Answer 8. Answer 8. Write from book. Write from book. You will write from here. Answer 8. Answer 8. Same body may appear moving for one person and at rest for some other person. For example, to the passengers in a moving car or a train, trees, buildings and the people on the roadside appear to be moving backward. However, to the people standing on the roadside, the car or the train and its passengers are moving in a forward direction. At the same time, each person in moving car or train finds that other persons are not moving as the distance between them is not changing. From the above observations, we can conclude that motion or rest is relative. Answer 8. You have to write from here to here. And next question is the question number 9. Question number 9. Define variable speed. Support your answer by 2 examples. Variable speed. Answer 9. Variable speed. Variable speed. Non-uniform speed or variable speed. Answer 9. Answer 9 you have to write from here. When a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, the body is said to be moving with a non-uniform or variable speed. And two examples you have to write. First example, car moves 40 km from 6 am to 7, 20 km from 7 to 8 till here. When the body is moving with a non-uniform speed, we calculate its average speed by dividing the total distances covered by the total time taken to cover the distances. Examples you can write. First example, the car covers and then ant moving, and I will give the example. And you have to write second example from here. An ant moving along a straight line towards each such in the first second covers a distances AB 3 cm. Let the ant cover the distance BC in the second and the second in the next second. And you can see that the ant is covering different distances in equal intervals of time in a straight line till here. From here to here. 2 examples you have to write. Then answer 10. Answer 10. Answer 10. Answer 10. An aeroplane is flying at a speed of 50 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 15 minutes? Answer 10. Answer 10. Speed is equal to 500 km per hour. 1 minutes is equal to 500 1 minute speed is equal to 500 km per hour. Time is equal to time is equal to 15 minutes is equal to 15 by 60 is equal to 1 by 4. 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60. Then it comes 1 by 4. Then speed is equal to distance covered by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Then what is the 500 time 1 by 4 is equal to 125. Answer is the 125 kilometer per hour. Sorry, 125 kilometer. Again time 15 minutes. 15 by 60, 1 by 4 is speed, distance covered by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Then 500 into 1 by 4, 125 kilometer. This is the answer 10. Till here you have to write in copy.